Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I assembled this beautiful cake topper that I designed right in Cricut Design space. So the inspiration for my design is that I purchased a SVG file from a Cricut seller. I will put the link of the store in the description box below, and it really inspired me to create my own design for this cake topper for personal use. So after creating my design, I went ahead and prepared all my mats to cut out the cardstock that I'll be using for this design. A very quick Cricut tip is that I like to flip over my cutting mat to remove my design from the cutting mat, and what I like to do is I like to place that on top of the protective sheet for my mats. This allows me from keeping any other debris or anything on my desk to get on my Cricut mat or any cutting mat that I'm using, and it just allows my mats to stay cleaner longer. Another tip for you is if you're having issues with print and cut, this file was not cutting, so I went ahead and made a copy and used the registration marks from the black and white version of the design and used those registration marks over the glossy paper, and I was able to cut out my design. Just another quick tip. So now I'm just going to assemble the cake topper. I have all the pieces cut out, so it's just easy for me now to just assemble. And what I like to do is I like to just make duplicate or triple layers of the actual PNG design itself, the elements that I want to pop out, by using some foam tape, just to give the design a little bit more dimension. I will put a link of all the items that I use in the description box below, and I will show a tutorial if you want to learn a little bit more on how to make your own 3D cake toppers. Definitely be happy to show you. So I wanted to add a little light to the topper just to make it stand out a little bit more, and I think that just made an amazing touch with the little light in the back of the topper. Just pull the tab and then you'll be able to use the light. Such a cute topper. I love the way that these came out. Again, I'll put the link of the Etsy shop where I got the Super Mario version, and then the princess version, I just created that in Cricut Design space. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot, and we will see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!